Today we're going to go through the installation of the oil tote plate, and it comes with a nipple threaded in, and this is your fill port to refill the tote, and it comes with a coupler welded in, and this is for mounting of your oil pump. It comes obviously with the 2 holes drilled for the mounting brackets. These will go on the bottom side, but they go here. But it also comes drilled out for hole mounts for your oil reel. Okay, if you're going to mount an oil reel with this kit, what I suggest you do before anything else is tip it up on its side, lay the oil reel on this side, holds the weight so you can bolt it up. You want to do that before anything else. So the mounting plate will go with the V side up. I've turned the plate over, obviously. It'll go with that side up. And what that does is when we slide it out, it hooks on the bottom of that. Okay, so we're going to lay the plate down, bolt through, flat washer, lock washer, nuts. Leave the bolt loose. That'll be able to give that room to come up and clamp on the bar. Okay, and we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, once you've got that done, it comes with a styrofoam ring, and that's to help provide some kind of seal for splashing as you're filling the tank. One thing is this is a stinger holder for the end of your meter or your stinger. Usually it mounts on the side that's going to receive the pump, which in this case would be this side. If you need that, if your stinger will fit in the end of that, you'll want to put that on and then you bolt through. If you're going to use the stinger holder, bolt through the plate, clamp, lock. Okay. Now we have our foam ring in place, and all I'm going to do is flip this over so that it goes in that foam ring. It should center up all on its own. You get your fingers in that bracket, you put it over that bar so that it clamps that bar in the middle, just like that. Tighten your bolts up by hand to hold it in place. And then we'll take 2 9/16 wrench and tighten them once we get the other side down. Okay. Push the plate down. Put your finger in there. Slide the bracket out. And tighten your bolts up by hand. With an open-end wrench, you can use your box end just to tighten it up. You can use a ratchet, you can use an impact, whatever you would like. They don't have to be super tight because all it's doing is holding it to the cage. If you put a hose reel on, it'll be sitting here. Whichever side you have the hose coming out, you'll want the stinger to turn towards. So that's your preference. And again, just tighten it up. Okay. That is the installation of the oil tote plate.